What You Need to See. Episode title, Seeing the Unseen, The Magic of Telescopes. Intro music with a sense of wonder and discovery fades to background. Hello and welcome to Cosmic Curiosities, where we unravel the mysteries of the universe. I'm your host, and today we're journeying from our backyards to the farthest reaches of space to understand how we see it all. We're talking about the incredible tools that are our eyes to the sky, telescopes. From Galileo's first glimpse of Jupiter's moons to the breathtaking images from the James Webb Space Telescope, our understanding of the cosmos has been shaped by our ability to capture light from distant worlds. But it's not as simple as just looking through a bigger lens. So, how do these incredible machines work? It all starts with collecting light. There are two main types of telescopes. Refracting telescopes, like the one Galileo used, use lenses to bend light to a focal point. Think of it like a magnifying glass. But for looking at faint, distant objects, bigger is better, and making huge, perfect glass lenses is incredibly difficult. That's where reflecting telescopes come in. Invented by Sir Isaac Newton, these use a curved mirror to gather and focus light. This design allows for much larger apertures, which is the diameter of the main mirror or lens. A larger aperture is key. It's not just about magnification, but about collecting as many photons of light as possible. The more photons you collect, the fainter and more distant the objects you can see. Doubling the aperture quadruples the light-gathering power. That's why giant observatories like the Keck telescope, with its 10-meter segmented mirror, are built on remote mountaintops far from city lights. But even from the highest mountains, our atmosphere blurs the view, making stars twinkle and hiding entire swaths of the electromagnetic spectrum. That's why we've sent telescopes into space. The Hubble Space Telescope and now the James Webb Space Telescope orbit above the atmosphere, giving us crystal clear views. The JWST in particular is designed to see an infrared light, which is invisible to our eyes. This allows it to peer through dense clouds of cosmic dust and see the very first galaxies forming in the early universe. And here's the most mind-bending part. Because light travels at a finite speed, looking at distant objects is literally looking back in time. The light from a galaxy a million light-years away has traveled for 1,000,000 years to reach us. So when we look at it, we're seeing it as it was 1,000,000 years ago. Telescopes aren't just tools for seeing far, there are time machines to explore the cosmic past. Thanks for listening to Cosmic Curiosities. Until next time, keep looking up. Outro music fades in.